Promised Land. Asan Kaygi is one of the most famous figures in Kazakh history. He was a musician, a poet, a philosopher, and an advisor to the great Khans. What makes him even more interesting is the mystery that surrounds him. His story is part fact, part legend. Asan Kaygi was born sometime in the 1360s. His father was a hunter. He captured eagles and taught them how to hunt for him. It was probably because of his father's work that Asan developed such a great respect for nature. Asan also knew how to hunt, and he was well educated and trained in military theory. He lived through troubled times and gave advice to the Khans during conflict and peacetime. Throughout his life, Asan created a philosophy about values like justice and wisdom, based on what he saw in the real world. He really cared about the Kazakh people and worried about their future. When he was quite old, Asan travelled around the whole of Kazakhstan on his camel. He had a quest. He was searching for Zerugik, the Promised Land. Asan believed this was a real place, with clean water, fertile soil, plenty to eat, and good living conditions. He knew if he could find it, his people could be happy and safe, and they could live in peace. Asan was over 100 when he died, but he never found the Promised Land. However, the legend says that he could only die when he had finished the work he was supposed to do on Earth, and that in difficult times, when people might be in danger, he will come back. So that is why people believe that maybe he was never meant to find Zerugik. Maybe the idea of a perfect place and a perfect society is one which we must all work towards every day, like Asan Kaygi did. We might never achieve our goal, but every day will be better than the one before.